Today we did an introduction to careers in pharmacy, did a couple of challenges. The first challenge was donning PPE or personal protective equipment for sterile compounding, and then they compounded a IV, which was an antibiotic, and we talked about the antibiotics and the disease states that would have treated. My name is Dr. Gerri Goudeau, and I am a pharmacy leader with Ascension St. Me and my team ensure that the patients in our facility receive the right medication at the right time with the right dose. For students that are interested in going into pharmacy and becoming a pharmacist, I would suggest them to continue to take science and math classes throughout high school, focus on biology, biochemistry, pre-pharmacy once they enter college, and then either do the pharmacy prerequisites or a bachelor's degree prior to entering pharmacy school. Whenever it comes to being a pharmacist, I would want the students to know that safety, trust, and professionalism are very important. You have to make sure that the public trusts you, that providers trust you, that your patients trust you, and then understand the importance of the safety with these medications and proper dosing and administration.